This Utopia Kitchen non-stick stock pot saucepan set is like having two helpful hands in your kitchen. The set comes with a 1-quart pot and a 2-quart pot. Both are perfect for different cooking tasks. They are gray and black, so they look good on most stovetops. The non-stick surface is a big plus because food does not easily stick. This makes cooking easier and cleaning a breeze. These Utopia Kitchen non-stick stock pot saucepan pots have lids. The lids help trap heat and steam. This means your food cooks faster and stays warm longer. The handles are made to be easy to hold. They stay cool while you are cooking. The pots are also lightweight. This makes them easy to move around, even when they are full. For a consumer looking for ease in the kitchen, this set is a good choice. Over the year, many have found the Utopia Kitchen non-stick stock pot saucepan set useful. It is great for small families or for making side dishes. Think of them as reliable shoes for your cooking journey. They might not win any stars for fancy looks, but they get the job done well. This set could be a nice addition to a wedding registry for new couples starting their experiencia in the kitchen. It's a simple set that focuses on being useful and easy to use every day. Pros: 2-quart size, non-stick coating, easy to clean, includes lids, Bakelite handles. Heat-resistant paint, multi-purpose use, good for small tasks, lightweight design, affordable. Price: cons: might scratch easily, not oven safe, handles might get hot, smaller pot is very small, not for induction. 1 quart. Handle heavy. Can tip, non-stick may degrade, hand wash only, thin pan walls, uneven heating possible features. Heat resistant outside, Bakelite handles, easy to handle, glass lids included, Bakelite knobs. Food stays warm, food is protected, easy to wash. This Utopia Kitchen stockpot set includes 2 non-stick saucepans, 1 quart and 2 quarts in size, with gray and black heat-resistant exteriors. The pots are easy to handle thanks to their Bakelite handles, which stay cool. They also come with glass lids that have Bakelite knobs, allowing you to see inside, keep food warm, and protect it. These pots are also designed to be easy to wash. This Utopia Kitchen non-stick pot set includes 1 quart and 2 quart saucepans with lids, featuring a non-stick coating for easy cleaning and multi-purpose use, especially for small cooking tasks. The pots are lightweight with Bakelite handles and heat-resistant paint, offered at an affordable price. However, the non-stick surface might scratch easily, and the pots are not oven safe. The handles may get hot. The smaller pot is quite small and not for induction stoves, and the handle-heavy design of the 2-quart pot could cause tipping. Additionally, the non-stick coating may degrade over time, and hand washing is recommended due to the thin pan walls that could lead to uneven heating.